All right, guys. So today we're gonna do a multiple project build, clean up backyard slash deal. As you can see behind me, I got one. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5 power wheels back here that all need to be done up. Some of them are pretty rougher shape than others, but all the guts and basic stuff is there. Some are missing some hoods and stuff. Actually, all of them are missing hoods except for 2. But what I planned on doing was I got a bunch of those those 18 volt, 20 volt, DeWalt, Milwaukee. What's the other one? DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita adapters, so that way you can hook them up to your power wheels and get some extra oomph in the power wheels. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do to all of them. I think I have enough for all of them. I did one already for the rat rod, which I'll show you guys what it came out to once at the end of the video. I think I got another one that actually I'm using my Ryobis. I had to get an adapter for the Ryobi to fit the Milwaukee. And then I got 2 more for the DeWalt, and I think I have 1 more after that. So if not, I'll just do whatever I can. But yeah, basically I think I have enough to at least do 4 out of these 5. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint them up, make them look a little bit more decent, and then we'll slap on the batteries, and then the kids can just go crazy. So, and it'll help me clean up the backyard or side yard, whatever you call it, because he's just been sitting back here since like last year. So anyways, let's jump into it. Let's do a little what do you call it, speed through montage, or what do you want to call it, time-lapse montage, and show you how I'm going to paint all these up and then slap them in, and then we'll do some test rides with the kiddos after that. Cool? All right, guys, let's jump into it.
Death Beats Production.
А ты точно заплатил за этот бит?
Death Beats Production.
this is, I should have took a video of it, how it was slow. Or slow, I guess. It is slow, but this is how it is normally. Cool, not bad. But yeah, let's show you when it's got the conversion on it. All right, power's on. All right, power on. Switch to forward, and then this is how fast this is now. Oh man, that shit makes you laugh every time, man. Yeah, this thing's really cool, super simple. I mean, power wheels is not much to them anyways. I mean, this thing's even kind of cool. It could even probably do a dual motor. But anyways, yeah, very simple, right? You guys could do this, you know, shoot, like within like 5-10 minutes. Literally all I'm going to do next to this thing is just clean it up, just repaint it, and get ready to go kick some ass at the Power Wheel race this weekend. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you got any questions and stuff, you know, don't forget to hit me up. Oh yeah, don't forget. I mean, this came with a fuse, but I think this came with like a 20 amp fuse or something. I forget which one, what it has. Let me see real quick. Comes with a 30 amp fuse. So yeah, make sure it comes with it. The kit's already come with it anyways, but just in case if you guys blow one, it has a 30 amp fuse. Anyways, cool guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Yeah, that thing does some crazy burnouts. Go for it, dude. Wow!